Oeko-Tex proudly presents a look at the shape of things to come, the International Certification System for Sustainability in the Textile Chain. More than 100 people in 10 different countries work on the average pair of jeans. In the case of these jeans, the cotton comes from the USA, the sewing thread comes from Indonesia, and the buttons and zipper are from China. The cotton is spun into a yarn in India and is woven and dyed in Pakistan. The dyed fabrics are then turned into jeans in Bangladesh, washed and packed in Turkey, and distributed via the central warehouse in the USA. The finished jeans are then sold in Zurich, in the heart of Switzerland. Textiles are manufactured along what's called the textile chain. For example, in the case of a t-shirt, this entails fiber production, yarn production, creating a fabric, dyeing and finishing the fabric, producing the clothing. And each of these processes takes place at a different production plant. Industrial manufacture entails problems which are regulated differently by the legislators in the various countries, and which are given varying degrees of consideration by the different production plants. Fortunately, more and more people are now campaigning for sustainable production. But unfortunately, there are no standard international legal requirements governing the manufacturing conditions in textile production plants. This distorts the competitive market and makes it difficult for brands and companies wishing to produce their goods sustainably to choose the right manufacturer from the vast number vying for their business. We can't wait for the politicians to agree on universal regulations. So we developed an independent certification system for the textile chain. This system makes it possible to comprehensively analyze a production plant's sustainability. The system optimizes a plant's existing production conditions in terms of using environmentally friendly technologies and products, as well as assessing internal working conditions and the plant's impact on the environment. To do this, we asked various people involved in the textile chain what they expected of a certification system of this kind. We understand and agree. As industry leaders with more than 2 decades of related experience, we have developed the Oeko-Tex certification system, Sustainable Textile Production. In short, STeP. This system is the international certification system for sustainability in the textile chain. A key element of the Sustainable Textile Production Certification System, developed by Oeko-Tex, is a multi-level scoring model. Certification recipients can compare themselves with other companies in their sector, align themselves with examples of best practice, and continuously improve. How does the certification process work? A request is submitted to Oeko-Tex. I would like to undergo certification. Oeko-Tex provides the company with its assessment tool. The company fills out the questionnaire electronically. The assessment is analyzed. The auditors visit the plant and check the information given in the questionnaire. The company is presented with an analysis and a certificate. The production plant is authorized to tell third parties about its score and use it for commercial purposes. In the case of plants that fail to meet the minimum requirements, we are happy to provide support as a coach in the certification process. The advantages for brands become evident in the global sourcing process. For example, let's assume you're a purchaser for a major fashion brand and you're looking for a new spinning factory. Oeko-Tex Sustainable Textile Production Certification provides you with information that allows you to choose precisely how sustainably your products are manufactured. The International Oeko-Tex Association certifies companies all over the world through independent testing and research institutes with offices in more than 60 countries. 100% independent, 100% transparent, 100% textile, 100% Oeko-Tex. Our auditors visit the production plants to examine them, drawing on Oeko-Tex's knowledge and expertise and more than 20 years of experience in the area of textile testing methods. There are benefits for everyone. For brands and retailers, Sustainable Textile Production Certification is the one simple solution for objectively assessing the sustainability of various production plants. For manufacturers, Sustainable Textile Production Certification promotes the sustainable nature of its facility in a transparent fashion and is a source for continual improvement as it points out where there is room for improvement. And the whole world benefits too, of course. Improved industrial health and safety standards, less energy waste, cleaner rivers, purer air. There is no doubt that sustainable production pays off.